Okay, my first question is what is higher order function? We can easily say that the higher order is a function that take a function as a argument or return them a function as its result. That's called higher order function. For example, map, reduce, and map, reduce, and filter. That's called higher order function. That is the real example in JavaScript. And now second question is what is callback function? Callback and higher order that is same but different is callback inside this function they call this function callback function receive as argument as a function and call them inside this function. That is callback function. Okay, now second question is what is hosting in JavaScript? um, hosting is a default behavior in JavaScript where all variable and function declares that's move on the top. Okay, that is the hosting behavior in JavaScript. Now third question is what is the scope in JavaScript and what type of scope in JavaScript. There are three type of scope in JavaScript. First one is uh, global scope. Second is local scope or functional scope. They are the same, local and functional, this same scope. And third is block scope. uh, Global scope means inside code where I access anywhere in this code, access variable or function anywhere in this code. That is global scope. And function scope is only this variable access in this function. That's called higher order function. Particular in this function, that's called higher order function. That is functional scope. And block scope is two curly brackets inside this where I access only this curly bracket access this variable or function. That is the block scope. Okay, and that is over in JavaScript question. Now let's move on my TypeScript question. My first TypeScript question is what is the basic data type in TypeScript. Um, there are three basic data type in TypeScript. First is string, second number, and third is boolean. That is the basic the data type in TypeScript. And my second question in TypeScript, what are the difference between interface and type? Okay, yes, yeah, that is, I think that is my question, but yeah, that is the question. And first we can say we use in when we use sorry interface. Basically we use when we are declaring the object type, object definition. When that is very effective for interface. But type is more various, can be used and promising unique and intersection. That is the types different. I can say that type is the more efficient rather than interface, because type is the advanced and is support type alias and other things. Yeah, that is the overview of my interview question. I think finish all my interview question. My There was the requirement that only JavaScript 3 and TypeScript 2. Yes, I finished this entire question. Thank you for watching this video.